Hello friends, in this video we are discussing about concreting equipments. Various concreting equipments which we use on daily basis, which are first the concrete batching plant. The concrete batching plant basically used to process the materials to form the concrete. It mixes all the materials like sand, gravel, cement and water to form a better solution that should be sent to the construction site. Now, the concrete batching plants divide further into types according to their capacity from 20 to 120 meter cube per hour, depend upon their capacity, how much amount of batching they can produce. And they are famous for their mobility as a mobile concrete batches. So over here, as you can see, it's the example of your batching plant, or you can say the RMC plant, where is the main section where all the types of batching is done, and from here it can be poured to your transient mixtures. Second comes the concrete bucket. The concrete bucket is a type of pail used with mixer, and it is attached through structural tower. The concrete bucket is used to send the concrete material to the top of the building, where it pours all the mixing automatically where needed. Concrete buckets are play a remarkable role for cutting labor cost and time. So as over here you can see, this is your concrete bucket in which we pour the ready mix concrete, and from here we have to attach the piping system, and which will go to the required height, desired height. Next come the concrete conveyors. The concrete conveyors are commonly conveyor system usually mobilized to use at construction site. They are based on one conveyor belt by which transfers the gravel, cement and other solid materials directly to the mixers, and they are also used for filtration of concrete materials from unnecessary impurities. So as you can see, these are the concrete conveyors. Sometimes of here they are using the conveyor belts to convey the concrete. Then comes the concrete crusher. The concrete crushers have two types. One is mobile concrete crusher, similar like a bulldozers, but has an attachment with its boom arm used to crush the big rock pieces into small gravels. But second type mostly can be seen in the industries used for crushing medium sized rocks into powder or gravel form. These concrete crushers are considered as best source for saving labor cost and time. As you can see, these are known as concrete crushers used for crushing of rocks. Then comes concrete cutting machine. Concrete cutter or concrete cutting machine is an abrasive tool normally seen as mobile equipment that is used for cutting concrete big pieces with the help of electric force. As you can see, this looks like your tile cutting machine only, which will be useful for cutting the big blocks of concrete. It can be seen mostly where the big buildings need to be demolished, and these tools are used there to cut the walls through its high quality blades. Next come concrete grinder. Concrete grinders are also mobile abrasive equipment used for grinding the floorings to keep them smoothness and safety. As a household construction equipment, it usually used for polishing the marbles and concrete tiles after they are installed. So concrete grinders consume electricity to perform their task and can't be ever accomplished manually. So we have to use this type of for polishing work. Then comes the concrete mixer. The concrete mixer is best source for the constructions that want to save their precious raw material from wastage that can be tolerated. So concrete mixer is used to mix all the elements like cement, gravel and the water for better mixing, and it also saves the time because of this high frequency while working, and it also saves the labor cost also and the material. Then come concrete paver. The concrete pavers have advanced the construction technology by securing the concrete from unexpected wastage. So concrete paver is a kind of movable construction machine that consists of a paving area used to store the material while working on busy roads. So highways and other public places where traffic or pedestrians are cause the deficiencies while working. So in this, as you can see, the material is stored in this equipment only, and this is used to lay down your concrete. That is known as concrete paver. So it can be used in high working areas where the traffic is more on the roads and highways where the public transport is more. Next comes the concrete pump. The concrete pumps are one of the fastest construction machines that get fame in construction market because of their reliability and cost effectiveness. The concrete pump save labor cost, time and material with high power electric suction machine used for pumping the concrete from mixture and send it directly to construction site wherever we have to use them. So directly they can be pumped from their source and delivered to the desired heights. Next come the concrete tank. The concrete tanks are used to save both labor and machine cost because they need to be built on construction site and installed to peak position. So concrete tanks are usually made of concrete, have pipes at bottom as the exit of material to the side, and basically tank is used to make concrete material by pouring water, cement and gravels in it. So here we can directly make the concrete, and they are provided the exit way so that the concrete can be taken out from that. And the next and main equipment, that is your concrete vibrator. Concrete vibrator is one of the best concrete equipment that are used to save labor cost and time by placing the concrete material at the right place. The concrete vibrating machine is consists of motor and pipe that are used to make vibration on concrete to make it sprayed on metal surfaces. In this video, we have discussed about the different concreting equipments used on construction sites and their uses. Thank you.